how to set up shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can quickly set up shipping on Shopify. So the process is so simple. Simply click on settings from the bottom left. After that, simply click on shipping and delivery over here, and then after that it's gonna take you over here. So now from over here you guys are gonna be able to see all the options for the shipping and delivery. So up top you have the option for shipping, which is gonna be the rates for domestic and for the rest of the world. So over here you guys can also add in the processing time as well. You can also add in the rates for local delivery, local pickup as well. So to add shipping charges, click on manage, and then after that you guys can just simply add in your rates. So you guys can add in whatever rates that you guys want to. So over here for domestic, you guys can simply click on add rate, and you guys can set the rate name and also the price, and then below that you guys can also put in a rate for the rest of the world as well. So guys, that is how you can set up shipping on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.